Number 60, we are graphing the linear equation 2x plus y equals 4. And again, if the directions don't give you some sort of explicit method of graphing this equation, if they just tell you to graph, go ahead and graph in whatever method you're comfortable with. So maybe you want to find the intercepts. So you're going to create an XY table and then do double zeros, 1 0 in X, 1 0 in Y, and find your intercepts. Or maybe you want to do an XY table, but instead of finding the intercepts, you want to choose 3 values for X and then find the corresponding Ys. That's perfectly acceptable. Or in this case, I think what I'm going to do is put this into y equals mx plus b, because I think that's an easy way to graph. And in this case, it's only a one-step process, because to solve for y, meaning get y all by itself, all we have to do is subtract 2x from both sides, and that gives us y equals negative 2x plus 4. And we can see here that now we're in y equals mx plus b. And as we talked about in video number 59, if your equation is in slope-intercept form, which this is, it's really easy to plot that line, because what you're going to do is look at your b. This is your y-intercept, so this is always going to be 0, comma, and then whatever your b is, in this case positive 4. So let's go ahead and graph that on our grid here. So we label our axes, and 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And from that y-intercept, we're then going to use our slope, in this case, our negative 2, to find the next point. And if you like, we can go ahead and write this slope over 1 so that we can see our rise over run. So this is telling us to go down 2 units because it's a negative, so down 2 units, and then to the right 1 unit. So down 2, 1, 2, to the right 1. There we have it. And now that we have 2 points, that's all you need to create a line. We've got our 2 points. Let's go ahead and connect them. And we're having the same problem we did in video 59, where I'm trying to do it freehand, so it doesn't work out very well, but that's a lot better than video 59 was. So at any rate, there's our line. All right, so just remember, if you're not given an explicit method of graphing, go ahead and graph in whatever manner you feel comfortable with. All right, so there's our line, number 60. This is it. This is the end. So I'll see you at the wrap-up video after this.